and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one is for April 2023. I know, but to be fair, I did go half a month with basically no uploads, and I'm still trying to get my inertia back and hit my stride again. So anywho, I didn't realize it had been that long, so I felt a little more behind than I meant to. But anyway, we've got my two bags here. Look how cute these are. These feel very Andy Warhol-esque to me. On the back side it says, "Look good, do good." It's very cute. So, shiny silver zip. And then we have our card, which reads, April 2023, anything is possible. This also looks at Warhol-esque. A new season is bound to welcome some amazing changes for us and for you. While we're bringing the best of Ipsy and BoxyCharm together under Ipsy to create the Ultimate Beauty membership, get ready to embrace all the new possibilities this spring. Making more thoughtful, sustainable beauty choices, it's Earth Month after all, experimenting with the latest makeup trends and expressing every gorgeous side of you. Now, unfortunately, this one does not have product info. It has, be a conscious beauty consumer, here's how to navigate all the symbols on your beauty labels. There's period after opening. You'll notice this open jar symbol on most of your beauty products. The number followed by an M refers to how many months your product is good for once you open it. 1% for the planet. The logo means the brand has pledged to give 1% of sales to nonprofit organizations dedicated to protecting the environment. Actually, I didn't know that. USDA organic. Your product's ingredients are produced organically, have no genetic modifications, and are overseen by the USDA. Fair trade. To support this symbol, ingredients must be purchased under fair pricing and working conditions with an emphasis on building long-term relationships with growers. PETA. This bunny logo certifies that the product is not tested on animals and also no animal ingredients. Certified B Corp. These brands have strong social and eco standards, are transparent, and hold themselves accountable. Leaping Bunny. This is the international sign that no animals were used for testing when the product was created and that the brand follows standards set by the Coalition for Consumer Information on Cosmetics. And the Mobius Loop. The number inside indicates the type of plastic used. Compare it to what's recyclable in your municipality. Everywhere is different. Anyway. And then there's just an ad for add-ons. So, in this bag, we've got the ittiest bittiest little makeup blendy sponges I have ever seen. These are so cute, and they're by the brand Farrah. But look at them. They're so little. What are these for? Are they for, eye makeup? They're so little. I'm in love. They're so cute. Anything to me, if it's miniature, is cuter. So, anyway, they're vegan and cruelty-free, and that is literally all it says about them. Next, we have First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream, safe for sensitive skin. Ooh, you know how I love me some First Aid Beauty. We have, what is this? By Goldfaden MD, the Plant Profusion Energetic Eye Cream. Little tube, but eye creams usually are, so that works. This is Shades by Shan, the gel eyeliner in the color Taro, and it's this deep purple, eggplant. I don't know if you can really see it on camera. It's really, really dark, but super pretty. There's one of these little retractable ones. Oh, it's so fine too. Look how itty bitty that is. Okay, I think I'm gonna like that one. That's nice. And finally, last one in this bag. And of course this was my choice item, is by Oriza Beauty. It's the Glow Up Lip Balm in Watermelon Waves. Yeah, I didn't know they made a third flavor, but they do, and it's watermelon, so I had to have it. So, the other bag. Let's see, does this one have product info? Probably not, but we'll find out. Oh, it does! It does! Yay. Okay, so we'll do it in order then. First thing is Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Good Cleanup Mini Foam Cleanser. This is a deluxe sample size. The full size is $29. So, enlarged invisible pores, not with this cleanser. It helps reduce the look of large pores with lemon extract, while antioxidant-rich yuzu extract and bisbolol help to smooth out and brighten your complexion. For a super sudsy foam, lathered up between wet palms before applying to your face. Cool, cool. We have the Purelisse Beauty Dragon Fruit Niacinamide Moisturizer. Full size of this is $35, but this is a deluxe sample. Help replenish and restore your skin's barrier with the supercharged moisturizer. It features skin-soothing niacinamide and antioxidant-rich dragon fruit to hydrate and help protect the skin's natural moisture barrier. Don't forget to take this down your neck and chest, too. Well, that's true of most moisturizers. By V Cosmetic. This is full size. It is a beauty sponge in black, and it is literally just the basic beauty blender sponge. Nothing crazy. Funny that I got beauty blenders in both bags. So this retails for $18 for that little thing. That's crazy. For a flawless and second skin finish, this makeup sponge is the one to reach for. It takes your cream, liquid, and powder foundations and helps them blend seamlessly into your complexion with ease and precision. Tip: use the large flat side to apply your blush and the pointed side to apply your contour. Next, by Shayna B. Miami, Be Free Eyeshadow Duo. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $23, and probably a palette. And this is the... oh, okay. It's just the Be Free palette. So... will it open? There we go. Ooh, okay. Those are actually really pretty. Really good colors for this time of year. Hell yeah. So, can you name a more iconic eyeshadow duo? These perfectly paired pigments are buttery smooth, never streaky or patchy, and ultra blendable, making it easy to go from subtle to dramatic in the blink of an eye. Tip: use the shimmery shade on the inner corners of your eyes to make them pop. And then finally, this is also a deluxe sample size, not full size. This is the Beauty for Certain Deluxe Lipstick in number 17. Okay. BFC. Like I'm ever gonna remember that. Luscious, long-lasting, buildable lip color is only a swipe away with this velvety lipstick. The warm sienna shade goes on so smoothly and feels comfy on the lips too. Tip: use your stip lip brush when you want to line and define your lips and then fill with color. Yeah, I forget if I said full size, $18. But yeah, so that's what I got in my just basic level Ipsy Glam bags for April. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddit, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.